What is a joint defense agreement? Whenever you have a multi-defendant case, your attorney-client privilege only extends to your attorney. It does not apply to conversations that you have with your co-defendant's attorney. Frequently, when the clients are similarly situated, it makes sense for the defense attorneys to work as a team. If the defenses are not antagonistic, if it's the same defense, for example, if it's an SA case and you have two clients and both clients are like, it was all consensual. Or if you have a wire fraud case and both clients are like, there was no fraud and the defenses are identical. In that situation, it may make sense to pool resources, to kind of put together the investigators, to put together the experts, and have the attorneys work as a team even though they represent individual defendants. In these situations, there needs to be what's called a joint defense agreement that essentially says attorney-client privilege covers everyone that is part of this agreement. So if I'm a defense attorney who's part of this joint defense agreement, other defendants who are not my client could call me and could talk to me, and this would still be a privileged conversation. And without this joint defense agreement, in theory, I may be compelled to testify against a co-defendant because I do not have attorney-client privilege with another individual who's not my client. So if you have a case with multi-defendants, if you have the same defense or a very similar defense, it may be worthwhile for you to talk to your criminal defense attorney about getting this joint defense agreement started. It protects you, it protects the attorneys, and it also just focuses the experts and the investigators that they're not working for one lawyer, they're literally working for the entire defense team and for several different clients.